Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming power and a reliable cable. This prevents interruptions that can worsen recovery mode. Once ready, connect the iPad to your computer and open Finder or iTunes. You must recognize the device in recovery mode. If it appears, select the iPad but avoid restore immediately. Instead, choose Update first to reinstall iPad OS without erasing data. This reduces data loss risk while attempting to exit recovery. Make sure the computer stays awake and do not disconnect the cable during the update attempt. If update completes, the iPad will reboot out of recovery mode, so selected update is your preferred path. If update fails or errors out, you need to choose Restore. This reinstalls firmware and often fixes corrupted systems but wipes user data. Once Restore starts, wait through download and installation. Interruptions can brick the device. If both methods fail repeatedly, put the iPad into DFU mode for a lower-level restore. Use DFU only when comfortable, because it forces a full firmware reinstall and erases content. Once the restore or update finishes, the iPad should boot normally. Proceed through the Setup Assistant and restore your backup if you have one. If the device still boots to recovery, make sure to retry with a different known good cable and another computer. Corrupted host drivers or USB ports are common culprits. If alternating systems still fail, suspect hardware issues, battery, connector, or logic board, and contact Apple support or an authorized service provider for diagnostics. A single troubleshooting tip: swap cables and ports before assuming the worst.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.